We tend to treat sleep like a biological off switch. We view it as a period of dead stillness, passive downtime, or a block of wasted hours where the brain shuts down for the night. Real biology shows the exact opposite. Sleep is a highly active, cyclical maintenance state. It is a mandatory resynchronization interval that the body relies on to restore and regulate itself. To understand why that interval is mandatory, we have to look at what waking life actually demands of the organism. Every piece of sensory input, every physical movement, every decision and spike of stress piles onto the system at once. This creates a massive informational debt. Daytime brain activity is incredibly fragmented. Localized regions handle different jobs at erratic speeds. They are unsynchronized, like isolated ripples fighting for space. This chaotic activity takes a physical toll. Every task alters your synapses, leaving behind a growing microscopic residue of electrical static. If the brain only kept adding these patterns and accumulating this waking noise without any mechanism to organize it, the entire system would drown in its own clutter. The brain prevents that collapse by forcing an organized state change. As you fall asleep, the system begins to deliberately override the daytime noise. Looking at this structural diagram of the cortex, we can see what happens during deep slow-wave sleep. The jittery, localized sparks are replaced by large, coordinated electrical swells called delta waves. The brain prioritizes global order over local busyness. This global order allows for a structural audit. Waking writes data, sleep edits it. This is synaptic pruning. Because you cannot keep adding pathways forever, the brain actively scales down and trims the weak, useless physical connections. A system that hoards every piece of data becomes rigid and slow. By trimming its wiring noise, the brain ensures that the stronger, essential loops can fire cleanly the next day. But the organization isn't limited to data. During deep sleep, the internal physical architecture of the brain literally alters its shape to perform physical housekeeping. This diagram shows a cross-section of brain cellular tissue. During the hydraulic rinse cycle, support cells physically shrink, significantly widening the empty channels between them. With these lanes open, fluid rapidly sweeps through the tissue, flushing out metabolic byproducts and microscopic waste generated during waking. And this physical maintenance extends far beyond the skull. Sleep is a master whole organism coordination event. Across the entire body, massive biological systems fall into a synchronized alignment. Hormonal, cardiovascular, temperature, and immune rhythms all drop into a dedicated maintenance mode at the exact same time. The biological machine changes its physical state strictly to clean and repair itself. When we bring the organism back into the waking world, the true cost of sleep deprivation becomes obvious. Deprivation is progressive desynchronization. This animation of biological rhythm waves illustrates the mechanics of mistimed sleep. If you miss the exact optimal window for these cycles to align, the rhythms become jagged and clash. This is why you feel awful even if you log 8 total hours on paper at the wrong time of day. When these synchronized repair cycles miss their chance to align, a rapid cascade of failures begins. Attention gets sloppy, memory becomes weaker, emotional regulation drops. The organism remains technically alive, but its internal biological loops stop coordinating. It loses its mechanical coherence, making it infinitely harder to stabilize under stress. Without the hydraulic flush, toxic metabolic waste stays trapped in the tissue. Without synaptic pruning, the brain remains a noisy, cluttered, chaotic mess. Sleep is the ultimate biological motion. It is the scheduled resync window where our nested systems drop out of waking turbulence, align perfectly, and become stable enough to function again.